The internet has made it possible for people to be able to make money online. In this particular video, I will share with you 5 different ways that you can be able to exploit. You will need to do your own research to get into the nitty-gritty, but this will give you ideas so that you can start making money online in 2021. Let's get this credits rolling. The number one way that you can make money online is freelancing. This means that with a particular skill that you have, you are able to monetize it and make some money. One of the ways to actually think about this is if you are a trained accountant, you don't need to work in a company to make money. You can actually be an accountant for different businesses, do the accounting from your home, do all this work and still be able to maintain your work-life balance. Another way of looking at it is going to sites like Upwork, where you can be able to start getting jobs from there. You'll need to create a profile. There's a creator known as David. I'll place his channel in the description so that you can go and learn more about Upwork. He has a number of tutorials on the same. Subscribe to his channel as well. And then you will be able to bid on projects there. A project can be $100, or you can even set your hours and say you work this amount of money per hour. And depending on the jobs that you get, you can actually make this work for you. This requires you to actually be patient, because when you're starting this particular kind of business, you may find that you get lower paying jobs, but if you continue to do a good job there are people I know who've made full-time incomes even right here in Kenya just because of sites like Upwork. So freelancing is the number one way. Number 2 way of making money online is blogging. Now I've done 2 tutorials which I'll also place in the description, one on Bluehost and another one on Wix. Blogging is about writing, and of course blogging and vlogging also go together. It's another way of making money online. If you are able to write really well, then this is a way that you can be able to convert the expertise that you have or the hobbies that you have, the things that you're really interested in, and make money out of it. As an example, if you love fashion, then this is a way to actually make money with this. If you have bought something from, say, Forever 21, people may like whatever they are seeing, so the next thing they will want to do is to buy that particular thing. And the thing that your audience will do is that they'll go online and they'll search for Forever 21. What they are actually doing is they are buying from that particular brand because you told them to. So instead of having them leave your blog and then to another site and actually buy, what you can actually do in the blog is to place what are known as affiliate links. So the simplest way of actually explaining affiliate marketing is that you are directing people to somewhere where they would have bought anyway, but you are the one telling them to go there. This works really well because particular sites will pay you 10%, 20%. There are others I know which pay 50% commissions. This is a good way of actually making money. So explore blogging plus affiliate marketing. Another way that blogs can make you money is if you are in a particular niche, a brand may want for them to pay for ads on your site. This is something they can do through sponsored posts, or they come in and they place their ads on your website. This can be through Google Ads or directly to you. This can make you really good money. The third is e-commerce. If you are online on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, you probably have seen ads of people trying to sell something. You can go wherever it is where you just need to buy something a little bit cheaper, and then you come online and put your markup and people will buy. There's a video I did about how to actually do this on Alibaba and AliExpress. I'll place it in the card above as well as in the description, just just to be able to get you started on how you can start this business. There are so many things that you can be able to sell. You can even start your own website for e-commerce, similar to what companies like Jumia and Gigi are actually doing. Is something that you can be able to do at your own scale. If you have the money, then you can be able to invite other business owners on your site where they showcase their products and you make a commission from every sale that they make. This is a good business to get into, especially if you have enough capital. But even if you don't, you can use your Instagram stories, you can use YouTube stories, you can use Facebook stories to be able to actually make sales. I know of a particular person who's actually using TikTok as her boutique where she actually sells products there. And these are innovative ways of using online platforms to start making money. So number 3 is e-commerce. The number 4 way, which we had mentioned a little earlier, is affiliate marketing. If you are using a particular product, then it is good to think of how can you make money from recommending this particular product. As an example, on this channel, because we talk a lot about crypto, I did a video at the beginning of this year where I led people to a site known as Paxful. It is a good site where I have been able to buy crypto and sell crypto. So what I actually did was a tutorial video about that particular site. And because people got interested about crypto, I have gotten about 300 people who clicked on the affiliate link and signed up on that site. So with those recommendations that I actually made, I make money when they sign up on my link, verify their profile, and do their first trade within a month. This has happened to about 50 of those 300. And the good thing is, every single time they trade, I make some money. And that's just from one video on affiliate marketing. There have been other affiliate marketing that I have done for sites like TubeBuddy, where I'm paid a 50% commission on the amount that someone has paid. So if you pay $9, I'm paid $4.50. That is a good way of making recurring income. And if you are a content creator, these are things that you need to think about so that you can start making money. As an example, if you are a makeup artist, you can actually make really good money by recommending products that you use in your videos in your channel description. When you are actually starting, it may not seem like a lot of money, but as you keep going on, the numbers keep on growing. So think about an affiliate marketing strategy for your own business, and you can actually make really good money. In a future video, I'll actually show you step by step on how to set up affiliate marketing links, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see such content. Number 5 is software as a service and membership sites. Now, one of the things that we have added on this particular channel is called channel membership. This is a way for you to be able to support this particular channel. Now we have 3 different packages. One is for $2, another for $9, another for $29. And what happens is every single month you contribute to the channel, we actually make money. So for instance, if I have the $29 package and I have 10 people who have done that, that's about $290. Now, as a channel, we'll make 70% of that. Say from $300, that will be $210. Now, every single month that these 10 people renew, then as a channel will be able to make $210 every single month. And the good thing is, this is a good way of making money if you have an online business or if you are planning to do an online business. Other sites where you have membership are sites like Patreon. You have sites like Buy Me a Coffee where you can actually do donations, which you can actually do in the description below. And these are sites where you can actually make money while providing value to your audience. Software as a service is recommending products that people can use as software, such as Microsoft Office or Adobe Audition or all these Adobe products, Amazon Audible. All these offer a payment to you if you recommend people to their site. This is really good because many of these places people are paying monthly, so you as well start getting paid monthly as well. A good example for me has been TubeBuddy, which is a software that I use a lot. And when people sign up for the $9 or $49 or $29, I get paid half of that every single month. And this is a good recurring income when I'm able to grow the numbers. And the good thing is, as a user of that particular software, you're not charged anything more than you would have paid the company. The company is just thanking me for bringing you to the platform. So that's number 5 way of making money online. There are so many other ways that you can make money online, and I'll place a video up above of other ideas that you can be able to explore if you want to start making money online. And then the playlist that is showing at the bottom are other business ideas that you can start in 2021. I'll see you in the next one.